Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful baby booties. The beauty of this baby booty is that it's not very complicated. We are not going to use any complex pattern or anything. The good news is that the whole baby shoe is worked only with single crochet stitches. So we are going to work in rows of single crochet and create a ribbing pattern, and then we are going to sew them together. I have used line brand baby soft yarn in the color Circus print that coordinates well with line brand mandala yarn in diagonally shade. So these booties matches with the baby blanket and the baby hat that I've created already. I will post the link of those videos in the description box. If you're interested, you can go and make them the whole thing as a set. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us and follow us on all our social media handles to get immediate updates. So for this baby booty, I'm using this line brand's baby soft yarn in Circus print shade. I will update the shade and the yarn description in the description box. And the shade of this yarn goes well and coordinates with line brand mandalas diagonally. We'll need a scissor and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So foundation row would be, we'll do a slip knot and then we will work 17 chains. So keep working 17 chains for the foundation. So for row 1, we are going to work one single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and we are going to work one single crochet on each stitch till the end, and then we are going to chain one and turn our work. For row 2, we are going to work one single crochet on back loop of each stitch till the end. So we can see the front and back loop. We are just going to pick up the back loop of each stitch, and we are going to work one single crochet on back loop of each stitch till the end. So we'll have 16 single crochet on the back loop. So keep working one single crochet on each stitch on the back loop till the end, and then we are gonna chain one and turn our work. So and then from row 3 to row 26, we are just going to repeat row 2. That is, we are going to work one single crochet on the back loop of each stitch till the end, and then we are going to chain one turn. So This creates a ribbing like pattern, and we're going to work like this for 26 rows. So at the end of each row we'll have 16 single crochet stitches, and at the end of row 26 we'll have around 13 ribs, and we would have worked 26 rows of single crochets. So keep working this way till row number 26. Now we are at the end of row 26. You can see the ribbing pattern. So you can see it's a little bit stretchy, and that's the beauty of this shoe. And we are going to work row 27 little bit different. So from the point where our hook is, we are just going to work 11 chains. So keep working 11 chains. Once you're done with the 11 chains, we are going to work one single crochet on the second chain from the hook. So we are going to work one single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and we'll be working one single crochet on each chain for the next 9 chains. So keep working. So totally we'll work 10 single crochet on this the 11 chains that we've created. So keep working the chains till you've reached the end of the 10th chain, and from then we are going to work one single crochet on the back loop of each stitch till the end. So we have created 10 single crochet on the chain, and we will work 16 single crochet on the back loop. So totally we'll have 26 stitches. So once we have worked back loop single crochet, we'll have 26 stitches in total, and then we'll work a chain 1 and turn. And then for row 28 we are going to work one single crochet on the back loop of each stitch till the end. So at the end of row 28 we will have 26 stitches, 26 single crochet stitches worked in the back loop, and then once we are done with that we'll chain 1 and turn our work. So keep working one single crochet on the back loop of each stitch till the end. So now from row 29 to row 52, we are just going to repeat row 28. So we'll again form a ribbed pattern, and then once we are worked with row 58, we can fasten off, slip stitch and weave your ends. So that's it for our entire baby booty. So don't you think this is very simple and easy? So keep working row 28 until row 52. We'll meet you at the end of row 52. So now here we are at the end of row 52. So this is how our work looks like. So it's just looks like a swatch of some single crochet stitches worked in rib. So we need to create one more of the same for the other booty as well. So we are going to see how we are going to sew this to make it into a cute baby booty. So we have worked 13 ribs of 10 single crochet rows and then 13 ribs of 26 single crochet rows. So you can see the ribbing here, and we are going to hold on to the wrong side. If you see this first rib, you can see the whole rib. If you turn back, you're not going to see the whole rib. So that's the wrong side. So we are going to hold the wrong side together like as I do, and then we are going to sew them together. You can use a tapestry needle to sew them together. Once you've done sewing the sides, hold on to the booty like as I do, like, and then sew the bottom ends together. Again we are doing it this on the wrong side. So sew on the bottom ends together by holding the way that I did. Now we are going to gather the top part of our the short rib portions, and then gather them with the needle like I do, and then we are going to tighten them and give it a nice snug for the front part of our shoe. So just gather them, the ribs, like as I do with the needle, and then we are going to sew them tight, and then we are going to secure it with a knot and then give it a extra stitches if you need that. Now turn your work inside out. Your baby booty is almost ready. Just a small tiny bit of work that needs to be done. I've created a pom-pom using the same yarn. So we're just gonna sew this pom-pom to the gathered portion of our small that is the short end of single crochet ribbing that is in the front part of our shoe. So I'm gonna sew this pom-pom to our shoe, and then I've weaved my edges and I've cut off my extra yarn, and now I'm turning my work inside out, and I will fold this the long part of the single crochet ribbing like as I do, and here it is, our beautiful baby booty, which is worked in a very simple and easy pattern, is now ready. And I hope you found this tutorial simple and easy, and not only it is easy, it is a very quick pattern. This baby booty coordinates beautifully with the blanket, baby blanket, and the baby beanie that I've created already. I will post the link of those videos in the description box. If you would like to make a matching blanket and beanie, you can go ahead, watch them and make it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.